What's up, guys? Mr. Alan C. hanging out in the garden, checking out a new pitchfork I got from Berry&Bird. Let's pull it out of the box and see what's inside. Alright, so we pop the box open, and it looks like this is how it came packaged inside. Now, it says these are handcrafted garden tools, so that's kind of an upgrade. We got the Berry&Bird logo right there. Let's get it out of the wrapper. Alright, guys, how heavy duty does this pitchfork look? This is pretty cool. Stuck right in the ground, nice. Kind of reminds me of like Aquaman's tridents or something. So, we can see we got this area of the garden looking pretty good right here. But if we mosey on over this way, this area needs work. And this is where I could use my pitchfork to grip right in. Let me get a different camera angle to grip right in and move some of this ruddy soil with rocks in it. Look at all those roots we're uprooting. All that plastic we're getting out of the ground. We can actually rake these rocks with the pitchfork tip. Perfect for cleanup. Some work ahead of me, but I think I picked the perfect tool here. And I appreciate you guys checking it out with me. Loving that heavy steel construction and the fact that it's handcrafted. See you guys later. Bye-bye.